game as well since we last saw him? And how do you think this changed the dynamics of SME right now? It's going to be kind of stretches where, you know, you use Junmar and your other bigs. Can you just talk more about that?
Well, it's really a big adjustment in our part, no? Because before the start of the game, so I'm really worried with both Wright and Junmar under the weather sila eh. And then kahapon, Benny requested not to practice because of his cough and cold. Same thing with Junmar. In the last 3 days, he was not able to practice. But last night, he assured us na they can go to the game. And if you notice, Junmar is limited playing time because alam natin he's not in a great shape since the start of the conference because of some injuries, and then nagkaroon sila ng mga illnesses katulad ng sipon at saka ubo. And same thing with Boatwright. But Boatwright assured us na he'll be good, and talaga makikita natin ang difference ni Boatwright and a big impact as sa team eh. And at the same time, Boatwright is really comfortable playing with the team eh. And there's no major adjustment on his part. Ben. And you see the way he played there. Parang last year pa siya naglalaro dito sa team namin eh. And it's really a good game because if you will take the stats, 1 point, 1 point, and lamang sa as a rebound, as a free throws, everything eh. And it's a good game.
Thank you, Coach, for now being a part of the
Good evening. Welcome, Penny. Congratulations on a successful delivery. What was it like, playing in the first game back after Hanoi?
Oh, it's good to be back home. You know, and I appreciate Coach and everybody bringing me back in to be the San Miguel 24. And I'm just excited to keep playing with the guys. You know, it's like I never left.
Penny, how's the transition since you arrived? Probably this transition considering when you last time you were here, you won the championship.
How was the what?
How's the transition since you arrived?
Oh, it's seamless. You know, first day of practice, it felt like I never left. You know, it felt, felt like I was home. And, coach did a good job of teaching me the plays early, so I had an understanding of it. And,
Since last naging for today, talagang starting na yung makagawa ng right import yung mabigay sa inyo. Ngayon nandito na sa Benny ulit. Do you think masusolve na yung issue na yan and arangkada na kayo?
I think hopefully the last time what we did during Benny's arrival and the 2024 in the middle of the elimination and since that we never lost twice in a row, and then eventually we won the championship, and we're hoping na we can duplicate that kind of a situation that we have in the year 2024.
Then, Coach Leo mentioned that last time you were here, you were a replacement keeper, but you helped San Miguel with the championship. This time you're in the same situation, coming in the middle of the eliminations. Do you think you can replicate that or could be seamless considering the experience of that?
Yeah, I mean, that's the goal, of course, but me personally, I like to take it one day at a time, it's stacking the wins. Tomorrow we'll be back at practice and then get ready for the next game. But, to get this first win it feels very good, for as a team, myself, and, I'm excited going forward.
Then you had 3 4-point conversions. So this is something that you're excited about, that formation?
Yeah, I don't even notice that I'm behind the 4-point line a lot of the times. I think it's a regular 3. I'm trying not to shoot too many of them, just to get acclimated. But I think it's kind of natural to get those shots. So I'm gonna keep taking it.
Coach, yung last few possessions ninyo, si Junmar, hindi mo ginamit. So, is this part of the game plan or dahil dito sa nararamdaman ni Junmar na parang
I think that is my adjustment, and I know some of the people will not understand because Junmar is alam natin during endgame, and I talked to him, Junmar will replace because I'm after the matchup. It seems to us na NLEX is trying to have advantage and building a small lineup, and definitely they will be having advantage because most of the time it's a pick and roll using Junmar. That's why we match up to their but when it comes to offense, Junmar will be there you know.
Coach, thank you very much.